So over here on the left hand side, you can see that I got my toolbars with different tools that I can use just like this. And let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and customize this out so that I can access out only the tools that I want. In that case, you can go ahead and click on the plus button right here, just like this, and you can enable and disable the tools that you want to see. For example, there's the outline tools right here. You can enable it and you get the outline tool right here, as you can see, just like this. So you can see that all of the tools are enabled right here, just like this. But what you can do is you can disable some of them. Let's say, for example, you have a smaller screen right here. You don't want too much space to be taken up, then you can disable these out as well. Or you can go ahead and re-enable. You can also reset the toolbar right here, just like this, to the default application settings, and then it simply goes around and resets it out according to default settings right there. And if there's certain tools right here you want to access, it may just be here if you don't find it there. You can also go to customize section right here, just like this as well, right here. So you can go around onto customize, and here you can see that these are the commands that you have right here, and then you get to the option right here for the particular command. So that is what you have, and you can simply go around and drag these commands out from over here as well and paste this out, and you got these new commands right there. And that is how you can go ahead and then customize out the toolbar inside of Corel Draw as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe